Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really exciting video for you all today with Trendytresses, and I know you guys are familiar with this brand due to many of my crochet braid videos that you all love, and I love doing them, and they were really fabulous. But guys, in this bag is not crochet braid hair. This time we have some ready-to-wear wigs that Trendytresses offers. I did not know they offered wigs. Many of you guys probably didn't either, and they have a pretty good selection, guys. This is the hair that I selected. It is the Chilie Wig. It's a really exotic, loose, curly texture, and it's really pretty and perfect for vacay. This unit comes in 150% density and length 20. This is where it falls on me. It's true in length, and guys, stay tuned until the end because we're going to be doing a giveaway. This is what the hairline looks like. I love that they already pre-plucked the hairline. This is a 13x4 lace front unit, so it's going to have 4 inches of parting space. This is what it looks like on. Now the lace is a little light for my skin tone, but that's an easy fix. I'm going to show you guys how you can tint the lace. This unit is unfortunately not as low hairline friendly as I would have liked, but I'm going to show you guys how I make that work as well. These low hairline struggles be real, y'all. But yeah, we're going to make it work. So I decided to do a center part for this particular style. I felt like it would look absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to part it off to show you guys the amount of parting space that you get. So this is the 4 inches. Now, one thing that I would have liked for this particular unit in the back is if the cap was dark, but I'll get into that a little more later. I want to show you guys this pre-plucked hairline. It looks so great. And somebody who has a normal hairline, unlike me, this is going to be really good for putting up in the front, and you won't have to customize the hairline at all. We're about to get into tinting the lace, but I do want to show you all the curl pattern up close. It's so beautiful. And also, as I move in the hair, you all can kind of see what I mean about the cap being light. I wish it were black, because as you move your head around, you're not going to have to worry about the lighter color peeking through, but it still works. So now I'm going to tint the lace, and I've been loving the Wig Guru's lace tint. It's so great, and it's a quick and easy method. Now keep in mind, this works best if the knots are already bleached. The knots on this unit didn't seem to be bleached prior, so I should have actually used the Sally Hansen method, because that would have been a little more efficient in concealing the knots, because I felt like you could still see the knots after tinting the lace, but this is just a lace tint. It's not going to cover any of the knots, but I've just gotten so used to grabbing the lace tint now. But try the Sally Hansen spray. That's going to work out so much better. So now we're just going to cut the lace off, and then after we've done this, we're going to install this gorgeous wig. Alright, so now that I've cut the lace off and I'm putting the unit on again, you all can kind of see what I mean. My edges come further than the hairline for this unit, but that happens to me so often, so that isn't new. But I'm going to actually blend this lace out. It blended really well with my hairline, so that was really cool. And as you can see, if you were to bleach the knots, it's going to look so great, but y'all, I ain't want to do that. Y'all know on this channel, we don't be bleaching no knots, so we're not going to do that. So I'm just going to lay it down, and then I'm going to show you guys how we're going to go about concealing the knots in a moment. And I am using the bedhead spray. Y'all, that's been my go-to when I want to do an install quick and easy. Y'all need to try that stuff. It's really good.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. vacation.
After spraying on the bedhead holding spray and then proceeding to lay the front hairline down, I'm going to actually set everything using a satin scarf. So I just wrapped it with this scarf, and then I'm just going to define some of the curls. So I'm going to spray a little bit of water later on just in the front, and I also want to refine this parting space. I felt like the parting could have been a little wider, so I'm just going to use my MAC Studio Fix, and this is a face powder. I'm just going to use that in order to create the appearance of a wider parting. I'm also going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in a moment just to help to conceal the knots a little more, but feel free to go ahead and bleach the knots if you'd like to eliminate some of these additional steps.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
All right, so we've already gotten the parting together, so now I'm just gonna refine the front hairline, just concealing those knots using my face powder.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. Number one is the place we in. It's a mill at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up.
All right, y'all, we're pretty much finished, and this could actually be a style, of course, with different clips, but we're just going to remove the clips, and I'm going to show you all the finished results. I have to say, it was really cool trying one of Trendytresses wigs. I've tried so many of their crochet braid options, and it was cool to switch it up, and this hair was so soft, and although I was tempted to shape it like I usually do, because y'all know my signature look, I was like, no, Mary, keep all the length, try to keep the shape that it's in so that you all can actually see it in its authentic shape and form, and I actually really like it like this. Now for the giveaway. For those who like to win one of Trendytresses wigs, and you can select whichever wig you like. This one, they have like 4 or 5, maybe even more than that, options on their website. You all can select any wig, but you need to be following myself and Trendytresses on Instagram. You also need to be subscribed to my channel. Also leave a comment under this video and comment under the photo that's going to be on my Instagram page as well as theirs. The giveaway winners will be announced in a week, so you all pay attention to that. All the rules will be down below. Like, comment, all the links and specifications for this unit will be provided. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
We just fine. Tell her what she need, just need you a vacation.